How to make no one can see your following list on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your following list on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and now click the storylines in top corner, and after click on it click settings and privacy, and now here you will find this one, privacy. Click on it and then scroll down until you find the following list. Click on it and click only me, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.